Hello, good morning. It's Sunday, the 24th, and I have a couple of birds outside, and I have to be very quiet. This is in the front yard. Oh, ning lupad na ang isa. They're very elusive. Napang usaw. Ara, di man kayo maklaro. Sa pag-focus ani. Nara. They're very elusive. Oh, tuwara sa kuan. Did you hear that? I'm just gonna stand still because this is a different birds. Oh, nindot po sila kayo when they're chirping. It's different. They're new. Idlas, elusive in English. Idlas sila kayo. In Filipino, idlas in English is elusive. So they're eating. There's the other one. Here. And the other one came down quickly. There you go again. They go up. There you go. It's all the way on the top. That's their characteristics. They're just be out there, so ready to fly. There's one. See, yung lupad na, but they're gonna come back.